All right, so we're going to start collecting data here. I have my trusty assistant Leo helping me collect the data.
Hi.
So by now you should have done the pre-investigation questions, the pre-lab questions, your hypothesis, your sketch, listed all the variables that you thought we could do, and then your hypotheses as well. So right now we're going to test the mass, right? Hopefully you wrote in there that when we're testing the mass, everything else needs to remain the same. So our controls are going to be the amplitude. So I'm going to pull this out to 30 degrees each time and release it from there. And the string length also needs to remain the same. So right now this is at 60 centimeters. Okay, so we're going to make sure it's at 60 centimeters each time we add more mass to it. All right, and as you saw in the procedure, the way that we're going to find the period is I am going to let this go back and forth for 10 cycles. And then you're going to divide that number by 10, and that will give you the period of one cycle. All right, so here we go. So this is a mass of 13 grams, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we got 15 seconds. So you're gonna write 15 right up in there. Look at.
Okay.
And I'm gonna add some more mass. So we're just gonna add some washers.
But it says there was 15 mass.
Yep, the mass was so the mass of just the bob, this is called the bob, was 13 grams.
Okay.
Okay, can you write that a little bit bigger and a little more clearly?
Sure.
So now we're putting 2 washers on. I want to make sure that my height is still proper here. Yeah.
I don't know.
All right, and there we go. Tell me if I'm at 30. Up or down?
Up. Good.
Okay, here we go. Nah, that happens. Try that again. Am I at 30?
A little bit less. That's good.
Dude,
Yeah.
last time.
A little less. A little more. Good. Go.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stop. We got 15.5. Add a couple more washers, brings us up to 64. And here we go.
A little less. A little more. A little less. A little more. A little more.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
1, 2,
3.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 15 on the dot. I'm going to round to the nearest tenth. All right, so remember what we're trying to figure out is the period going to change as we add more and more mass? So at this point, you might start to begin to see some type of trend But as we figured out in the past, proper experimentation usually takes, we want to have at least 5 points to compare. All right.
Was good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. What are we starting to see here, ladies and gentlemen? Probably come up with a claim already. And last one, 115 grams.
What's that for?
That's to make sure it's level.
Does that matter?
Nah, not too much.
Yeah, you're blocking the camera.
Yeah, you can't be in the way. Oh, it's alright, you can be. He's my eyeballs.
More. Good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stop. 15.2. All right, and I'll just hold this up. I know if you didn't see it before. So those are all 15s. 15, 15.5, 15, 15, 15.2. That's our data for mass, and follow the instructions on how to find period.